Hey everyone, Tesla Tom here. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we're reviewing the Jowua foldable car tray for Tesla. Perfect match, designed to fit Tesla Model 3 and Y front seats and provide a comfortable space for working and mealtime. Easy install and storage. The foldable hinge design is easy to open and fold to store in the front trunk. Stylish design. The wood pattern design perfectly matches Tesla's interior. Let's have a look at that, of course. Premium materials, adopt PU leather with fiberboard for a soft touch feeling and added durability. 4-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Jowua-life.com, designed by Jowua, assembled in Taiwan. And of course, don't forget to use my coupon code TESLATOM5 for 5% off all products, all Jowua products site-wide. So when you order it, it comes like this, in this kit like that. Alright, let's unbox it with my trusty penknife. Just slice it down here. There we are. Alright, so that should just fold open like that. It does. Good. Flip it around. Inside is... that's what it looks like. These corners here. I guess just to keep the lid off the product. Put those over there. Take this off. Whoa, look at that. Beautiful. Look at this. Magnificent. Jowua badging there. Beautiful. This looks really good, by the way. Like, it's a nice, solid feel. You know, like, it's not too heavy, but not really light and cheap, but it looks really, really good. Yeah, I like it. Like, really solid. Looks and feels like it's really good material. Like, yeah, sturdy. Definitely fit food or laptop on there. See how it folds out like that, right? Gorgeous. Let's see what's on the back. Yeah, love it. Beautifully plated there. Bit of wood showing in the back, and this is really good material. Yeah, durable plastic. There's silicone there, I guess. Yeah, wow, this is actually better. Oh, I knew it would be good, but this is already better than I thought it would be. Looks great. Looks really good. Okay, so I'll just pop it on the table first so you can see. That's what it looks like. Yeah, this is probably about, let's see, my handspan is like that. There, see? So 1, 2, 3, probably 3.5 handspans across. Really nice. Okay, so I'm in the car right now. I've got the Jowua table tray in the driver's seat. See right there? That's the steering wheel there in front of me. And it's just resting on this side panel here, you know, where the window buttons are and things, when your armrest is. So that's where it rests here on this side, where the Jowua badging is. And then on this left side here, it sits on this, you know, center armrest area. So, you know, it's pretty sturdy. You know, like tapping on it and it's not going anywhere. You probably, if you want to use it, you might need to bring your seat back a little bit here. So I've got my seat all the way back, and I'm sitting, you know, fairly upright, and there's quite a bit of room between myself and the table. So that's probably about, let's see, probably about a hand width like that, from my belly to the table there. I'm not a big person, sort of average size, and this bit of room under the steering wheel here. You may also need to lift the steering column up a little bit if you like having it low. So that's just something to be aware of there. You can also slide this all the way back if you want, all the way back to your body. So you've got that much room there once you've got the seat back. But if you want it a bit more forward, then you can do that as well. There's a little bit of a cut out there between the door handle and the table tray. So that's quite good. And then obviously on the other side as well, if you've got this on the passenger side, then you can you know, wedge that between the door handle as well and the tray table. So yeah, pretty good stuff, pretty sturdy. And yeah, you can slide it back and forth to your heart's desire. And there's a shot of the passenger side there in the right-hand drive vehicle, tray table there. And again, probably works best if you have the seat back as far as you can go. That way you've got more room to sit in there and work or eat, or whatever you want to do. And the other question is, does it match the color of the wood trim of the Tesla? Because that's what it's advertised on the box. So if I fold this in half, and I'll just put it right up next to the rest of the car. So you be your own judge there between the Jowua product and the door trim. It's pretty close, not exact, but you know, they're close enough anyway. So yeah, I think that's fairly reasonable. Yeah, good job there. And the last thing to note is to make sure that the product fits inside the frunk as advertised. And here it is in all its glory inside the frunk or bonnet. Sits perfectly flush there, so very much a space saver. Doesn't take up any room at all really. And then you can put whatever you want inside the frunk before you close it, which is pretty handy, I think. And as I said, it looks really nice, really quite a good table. Definitely will fit a laptop. What else can you do on here? Food, I guess, table for food or working on. You can write things, you can put a laptop on here, you can, I don't know, steaming bowl of instant noodles. Maybe we should do that. I haven't had lunch yet. Maybe I can try that actually. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright, so there we go. That is a bowl of noodles. Just sitting on the Jowua table tray right there in our Tesla Model 3. Looks pretty good actually. And the noodles look pretty good too, so I might tuck in very shortly. Alright everyone, well, that is it from me, Tesla Tom, reviewing the Jowua table tray for the Tesla Model 3 Model Y. Anything from working or eating on it, it's a great accessory to have for your Tesla. Don't forget Tesla Tom 5 coupon code for 5% off store-wide at the Jowua website. Take care everyone, until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging.